to the DreamWorks Theatre. It's showtime. Here, lights. That could have got better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Hey, everybody, get ready for a donkey and Shrek show.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
You're both wrong. It's the Mario and Agastar show.
Oh, come on. I know you all here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest. I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show. See what? Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet of Master Thunder and Rhino. I see your Thunder and Rhino and raise you one talking donkey. Wait, look at this. The sword of heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful, can knock you into the spirit realm.
Check, please. I can't compete with that.
Hold it! Oh, you just wish you were less in trouble.
The Emperor! Ooh! My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor!
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that delivery? Oh, that was important.
It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
But we may not all survive.
Okay, good luck with that.
Poppy reporting for duty.
She said duty! Oh, sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww. Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the vote.
Ooh, how about if you guys come us back up?
You're serious.
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside. I must have that liquid! Oh, with the main hammer, the liquid of ultimate power will be mine! Come on! Before Shifu changes his mind!
I heard that.
Just kidding! Hey, buddy, will you give us a hand with these doors?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DreamWorks Theatre. In order to experience our show, we ask that you be free from...
Hey everybody, are you ready to go? Okay guys, fill her up! Oh, Dad, let me help you.
Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh!
Hey, you there, Mr. Bucketinkers. Be careful with that.
Hang on everybody, this should be quite a ride! Imperial Palace, here we come!
This is so exciting.
Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks.
Hang on, everybody.
That's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
There they are! Hey!
I hope you can swim.
Glad you're back. Thought we lost.
Please try to stay with us. You're supposed to be our backup.
Wow!
We need to be quiet, Poe. This is the dreaded Kang territory.
Did you hear that, guys?
Why is Kang so ready?
Mr. Pig, please.
Kang's wolves are the most feared and ruthless river pirates anywhere.
But why?
Hello? He's a wolf pirate.
And he's known for his cunning.
Follow me, friends! I am Kang! Prepare to die! How'd he get the big hammer? Not so fast, Panda! I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot sauce.
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!